With all the three techniques, we've got control in technique 1, consistency in technique 2, and then just experimentation in technique 3.
You can use any one of those 3 techniques and make interesting sounds and control them.
Especially with the reformer, I found, but also with the whooshes and stuff like that, using the release trigger is something that you might find really interesting to use. So sometimes, for example, creating release triggers to then just add that little sizzle at the end can sometimes create a really nice end to your sound. So if you want to just like bookend it with your start and your release triggers, then that can sometimes be a nice little finishing touch for whooshes especially.
That's a really nice trick, actually. That is cool.
That is because the release on your grains is longer than the short release you were doing.
Cool. Well, that was fun.
This thing is so much fun, honestly.
I know. It is fun, isn't it?